Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and sign out of YouTube accounts from other devices. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. For that purpose, let's go ahead first open our YouTube app. Once your app is open, simply go ahead, tap on this profile icon on top right corner, tap on this manage your Google account. Basically, of course, you access YouTube with your Google account, so settings gonna be in Google. Go to this option called security. Now scroll down and tap on this your devices. Go ahead, tap on this manage all devices. This will show where you're logged in with your Google account, also your YouTube account, because you cannot access your YouTube account without Google account, right? So after that, you will be able to see all of the places that you are signed in. Go ahead, tap on any of the one, and you will have this sign out option given below that particular device over here. If you tap on that sign out option, you will simply be able to get signed out of that device that you are logged in currently with, and you're good to go. So yes guys, this is a very easy method for you. You can do it like that. I hope this video was helpful to you all. If you got more questions, leave them in the comments below, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.